friends, Priya here. Welcome back to my channel Addict Trends. Before I start this video, I would like to thank each and everyone who subscribed to my channel and who liked my video, and then please keep supporting me like this. And those who are watching it for the first time, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Okay, and then this is my second video in YouTube channel, and it's very special to me. It's my 5th wedding anniversary this year, and I want to make it something special. So I have ordered a gift from Bonding Gifts. It's trust me, it's a very beautiful gift which you can gift it to your loved ones, and I have made a detailed video on this. And you can enjoy this video once, and then I'll tell you about the details, how you can order, how you can get it. So please enjoy this video.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
Enjoyed this video, and then I would like to give you the details how I ordered this, how I got it. So I got this idea in the Facebook. I mean, I was just browsing the Facebook and I just got this link. So what I did, I just wanted to try it out. So I googled it, Bonding Gifts. So I just, and you can go to their link and register, or you can log in as a guest, and then you just place an order of this gift, and then I did cash on delivery because I was not sure, because there are many fake online sites. So I just did cash on delivery. I just want to try it out. And then what I did, so I immediately, as soon as I placed an order, and with my address and all my details, personal details, as soon as I placed an order, I got a message to my mobile saying that, in WhatsApp, saying that send 45 photos, okay, in the mobile. So what I did, I just sent 45 photos which I liked, because it's my 5th wedding anniversary. I captured all my photos of my 5 years, and then I sent it to the WhatsApp number. And then immediately I got a reply saying that thanks a lot, it will be delivered in 1 week. So trust me, I got it in 1 week, just 1 week, in my office address, and then I just loved it. I just loved this gift, and trust me, you can gift this to your loved ones and they will surely love it. And okay, thank you guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and once again I would like to tell you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.